I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a very interesting question on relations and functions. We need to analyze if the given situation results into a function or not. The question is, analyze the domain and range of the given relations and conclude if they can represent a function or not. If they can represent a function or not, right? So let's analyze. There are two questions given. First one is domain 1, 2 and 3, range is -1, 0, 1 and 2. For the second one, domain is given to us as 0, 1, 2 and 3 and the range is given to us as 1 and 2. You can actually pause the video, answer the question and then look into my suggestions. I would like to show a mapping diagram and then conclude. So let's do part A first. So we are given some domain, right? So let's say this is the domain part and that is the range part. Okay. In the domain we are given numbers 1, 2 and 3. In the range we are given -1, 0, 1 and 2. Now, if you want to map them, how can you map? If you want a function, each element in domain should be mapped to only one element. Right, so that is one mapping. This could be kind of like this. This could be kind of like this. Now, if you do 1 to 1, you're left with one element in the range. So we need to link it with at least one element in the domain. So once you do that, then an element in the domain is actually linked with 2. Now this relation is not a function, right? So from here you can say, since it is linked with 2 like these two, from 3 it is not a function, right? Not a function. Do you get the idea, right? So that is how you can conclude and explain whether the given situation can result into a function or not. So this will never result into a function, right? Now let's look into the second one. Okay, so here we are given domain which is 0, 1, 2 and 3, range just 2 elements in the range which are 1 and 2. So right, 0, 1, 2 and 3, and there are 2 elements 1 and 2. So if you want to map them, how can you do it? You can map this to 1, for example, this one to this. Now 2 and 3, there are 2 elements, so they will be mapped to some element. Let us say like kind of like this. Now in this situation, what you observe is that each element in the domain is mapped with a unique element in the range. Therefore, this relation is a function, right? So this relation is also a function. Do you see that? So that is how we could do. So it is all these are uniquely linked to an element here and therefore it is a function, correct? So that is how you can explain. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.